Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to get Netflix as well as lots of other subscriptions much cheaper. And that's thanks to a platform called GamesGo. Let's switch to the computer and I'll show you everything. Let's go. So on the computer, so all you need to do to access the platform is use the link that you'll find in the video description. So here you can see that it looks like this. We're going to click on the link and then we'll end up on the platform's homepage. As you can see, there's Netflix here, but there are obviously lots of other subscriptions, whether it's for content or even for artificial intelligence like ChatGPT and others. And as you can see, there are really a lot of them. We're going to focus on Netflix. So how does it work? As you can see here, it's €4.53 per month, but we can add more details. The platform works as a subscription sharing service. GamesGo buys lots of subscriptions in bulk, so they get them at a certain price. And then what you'll do is share the subscription with up to 4 other people, so 5 people in total, but you have your own account with your own series, your own recommendations. So it's really personalized, but the price is shared among several people. So you really get the full Netflix premium that you can have for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. So as you can see, the prices are much more attractive than those offered by Netflix. You can have one profile or even several profiles, like a family profile. So the price is really reduced. It really works very well. As soon as you subscribe, under the subscription tab, you'll get the email and password that you can enter on the platform. And then you'll have direct access to your subscription. You can use my link and then use the promo code I put in the description. And for example, here you see you can enter mine. So it's NTZHY. You click apply. You get a discount on your subscription. The longer the duration you choose, the bigger the discount. So here for 3 months, it's just a small discount, but for 6 months, it's already more significant, and for a year, even more so. And that's on top of the discount you already get, thanks to GamesGo, of course. Then you just have to click join now, and then you can pay. You have plenty of options for payment. You proceed to payment, and then as soon as you've completed the payment, which is completely secure, your information will appear under the subscription tab here with the email address and password. You need to log in, and as soon as you log in, it will work right away. You'll have access to your Netflix immediately. There you go. Now you know how to get Netflix and lots of other subscriptions for less thanks to the GamesGo platform. I encourage you to use my link and my code so you can get even more discounts and make the most of it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!